Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. This is part 2 of the video series we're doing about ice and heat, and this video is just going to be about ice. So what you want to do when you have pain, you put ice on the area, but you don't want to put direct contact of ice on skin. So you wear like your shirt, you can wear your pants, some sort of layer of fabric, you can use a towel, and you put ice on that area that's bothering you for 20 minutes max, no more than that, and then you take it off for 40 minutes. You can go back and forth like that as much as you want without causing any sort of issues. Now when you put ice on the area, they used to tell us that you want to get rid of the inflammation. That is what the ice is for. It's for controlling inflammation. But they actually retracted that. They said that you don't want to get rid of the inflammation because there's healing factors in inflammation. So inflammation is occurring in the area of injury, and the healing factor is there to fix the problem. Now when you use ice, you're pumping out the inflammation, therefore pumping out the healing factor. So don't do this just to control inflammation unless the inflammation is getting so bad that it's putting pressure on the joints and the nerves in the area and causing excruciating pain. That's when you definitely want to use some ice to get rid of that. That's pretty much everything. There's one thing I want to add. There's new ice packs, newer. They're like gel ice packs. Those you don't really have to worry about the time as much, because when you use the gel, it's just going to loosen up and it's going to basically warm up to your body temperature before 20 minutes is up. Regular ice, on the other hand, is not going to do that. So thanks for watching this video. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.